What's going on, YouTube? So I got a 5.3 Vortec 02 Tahoe LTZ edition. Been seeing a lot of videos, so just figured I'd post one too. Obviously this is the intake. It goes right here, connects right there. I got that off right now because I'm going to look at all the valve cover gaskets. As you can see, got some issues going on. It's got super high miles on it. Thing's got like 227,000 miles, but it runs like a dream. I drive it 45 minutes one way, so yeah. We're gonna take this off next. Actually, I think I got the bolt loose, so we can check this out right now. Alternator, obviously. Pulleys. Alright. If you guys ever want to take these fan shrouds off too, it's literally this bolt, this retaining clip, and then there's that underneath that. Don't worry about that. And then there's a retaining clip over here. Mine's gone, and then this whole thing will just pop out. Obviously you got to come across this radiator hose, but gives you perfect to work with the fan. And then obviously you can get to your tensioner pulley. I got a little squeak going on right now, and I'm pretty sure it's because of my power steering pump. But other than that, man, I got a massive oil leak. It's from a couple days ago, so it's not just splattering. But I'm hoping it's not the rear main seal. I'm hoping it's maybe a sending unit or something. So I heard the valve cover gaskets are pretty notorious for it on this too, so I'm just gonna go through it. We got a junkyard here where I'm from in Iowa that's pretty cheap about what they do. I mean, you go out there and pull it and pay 20 bucks for alternator. I mean, it's really reasonably priced, honestly. You just gotta go out and pull it. But once you pull something off a vehicle you're not too worried about, I guess you know how to put it back on a vehicle you care about. So guess that's all that matters, right? Obviously throttle body. It's all dirty. It looks like it's got some issues going on here. We'll have to see about that. Not sure what goes on right there. But yeah, if you guys see anything off about this, I mean, let me know, man, so I can get it fixed, because she seems to run good. But like I said, I got an oil leak. O2 sensor, that's on the dash. But other than that, man, it's really shitty mileage. Horrible gas mileage. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. But yeah, we'll come back.